Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for October the 6th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Alnylam Pharmaceuticals will end development of revusiran as the benefit-risk profile of the experimental RNAi therapeutic no longer supports continued dosing. A review of unblinded data from the late-stage Endeavour trial identified an imbalance of mortality in the revusiran arm compared to placebo. Chief Medical Officer Akshay Varishnor noted that of 206 people enrolled in the study, 18 died, mostly due to heart-related issues. Although the executive declined to give a breakdown of how many deaths occurred in patients receiving revusiran, he said that none were drug-related. In other news, the US Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services disclosed that Mylan overcharged the government for EpiPen for a number of years. CMS noted that the allergy drug has been misclassified as a non-innovator medicine since 1997, leading to rebates of 13% of the list price as opposed to 23.1%. In addition, Teva agreed to divest certain UK and Irish assets acquired via its purchase of Allergan's global generic business to Intas Pharmaceuticals for £603 million. The Israeli drug maker consented to sell certain assets in several European markets in an effort to receive European Commission approval for its transaction with Allergan. And finally, Pfizer agreed to sell its global infusion therapy business Hospira Infusion Systems to ICU Medical for $1 billion in cash and stock. The assets include intravenous pumps, solutions and devices, with Pfizer receiving approximately $400 million in newly issued shares of ICU Medical and $600 million in cash. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.